Good day, sir. I am Chief Manuel Albalientos. Today I will recite Rule 19 in color rigs. Section 3, Conduct of a vessel restricted visibility. Rule 19, Conduct of vessel in restricted visibility. Section A, the rules applies to vessel not in sight of the one another when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility. Section B, every vessel should proceed at a safe speed adapted to the prevailing circumstance and condition of restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. Section C. Every vessel shall have due regard to the prevailing circumstance and condition of restricted visibility when complying with the rules of Section 1 of this part. Section D. A vessel which detects by radar alone the presence of another vessel shall determine if a close quarter situation is developing and or risk of collision exists, if so shall take avoiding action in infall time, provided that when such actions consist of alternation of course so far as possible, the following shall be avoided. An alternation of course to part for a vessel forward for beam other than for vessel being overtaking. Section 1. An alteration of course towards a vessel beam of above the beam. Section A. Except where it has been determined that a risk of collision does not exist, every vessel wastes hers apparently forward of her beam the fog signals of another vessel, or which cannot avoid a close quarter situation with another vessel forward on her beam, shall reduce of her speed to minimum at which she can keep on her course, shall if necessary taking all her way off and in event navigate with extreme caution until danger of collision is over.